Now this is the final look, bouncy, defined, and supernatural. So let's talk about wigs and scalp care. Because one thing about me, I love a good install. But my scalp, she needs some love. Today, I'm installing this Kinky Curly 18-inch from VShow hair. And we're making sure my scalp stays fresh and flake-free. Let's get into it. Before we get into this wig, let's check in on my scalp. And yeah, she needs some TLC. I'm starting with a deep cleanse to remove buildup, followed by a hydrating conditioner to keep my natural hair soft and moisturized. Clean hair is the best foundation for any install. As you can see, I'm using the Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength Dandruff Defense, and I'm really getting in my scalp with the product so it can penetrate and help with the dandruff that I have. Also, make sure you thoroughly rinse out your hair to prevent shampoo residue from breaking out your hair. I then go in with the clarifying shampoo by VO5, which will deep cleanse and remove any buildup. I then go in with the conditioner as a slip layer. Then I'll section off my hair and apply it in each section where I would further detangle each section. Taking my time. I know it looks fast, but I really sped up those clips. But I took my time, ensuring that every strand got some love. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a garden, count to 10, lions den, speaking with the higher pen, can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Now let's get into drying. First, I wet my hair again, and I add a little conditioner to help with slip. After, I thoroughly detangle, and I use a heat protectant to prevent damage. Then I go in with the tension method using my blow dryer, followed by a detangling brush and a round brush to get my hair stretched and prepped for braiding.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know, but please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know, but please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. I'm scared of the changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah. Crisis in my life, for yeah, I'm good, yeah. Crisis in my life, for yeah, I'm good, yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you.
After each section, I then just do a full head blow dry with both the detangling brush and the round brush. Scalp check. You see my scalp is squeaky clean thanks to Head & Shoulders Clinical Defense. Then I go in with hair grease. Hair grease acts as a protectant on my hair strands to prevent from breaking and split ends with the friction of another hair against my hair. I personally love it, especially when I'm doing braids and stuff. And also make sure to massage it in. It helps stimulate hair growth. Now that my hair is prepped, let's talk about the star of the show, this kinky curly V-part wig from VShow hair. I braided my hair down for a flat install, clipped in the wig before I start the whole blending process. After clipping the wig on, part your leave out down the center. Then we'll get into the blending process. For the first method, I sprayed the hair down with water, added some conditioner, and used extreme gel to define the curls.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah.
Honestly, water is going to be your best friend. And also take your time with blending and making sure you detangle the hair thoroughly and blend in your hair.
Sing it with me, say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence. Stay.
Trim your hair to your liking. I trimmed it to frame my face, but also trying to maintain the length.
I surrender all, yeah, all to thee.
At first they looked amazing, juicy and super defined, but once it was dry, it got a little crunchy. Wasn't my favorite.
I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, 'cause you gon' listen.
Now let's get into the second method, and this one was the winner. The wig looks so natural. Honestly, you couldn't tell me that's not my hair. In this method, I use Eco Styler gel, water, and the Lotta Body hair mousse. And y'all, the curls were everything. Soft, bouncy, and full of movement without any crunch. Let the video speak for itself. As you can see, this is just the beginning, and you can see the curls flowing and just being bouncy and showing up. Here you see me defining my natural hair curls to match the curled hair texture of the wig. I used the Eco Styler gel, water, and the mousse. And y'all, this wig was so good. Is so good. Water is truly your best friend with this hairstyle. The mousse, the gel, everything. The curls are so amazing, and you can see it on my face that I'm loving the hairstyle. So much better than the first method. And here's the finished look. Fresh scalp, fresh install. The wig gives a natural, effortless vibe, and I love how easy it is to style. I must say, I tried two different methods. As you can see in the video, the first method I tried using gel, water, and just edge control. It did work. I must say worked but the only thing is the curls eventually became crunchy, and I did not like that at all. So with my second method, I found that it's the right amount of hold while being bouncy and just showing the hair at its true glory. So I recommend the like the second method, with just water, the mousse, and a little bit of gel. All right, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.